Hello shoppers and viewers, welcome. In this video we'll be showing you the features of a DeWalt cordless drill. In this case this comes in a drill kit. This one is a drill model DCD777C2. This is a lithium ion cordless drill. It's brushless. It comes with 2 battery packs and a charger. Let's open it up and see what's included. Here, as we open up, we see it comes with a bag, and the bag packs everything. Not very heavy at all, very convenient. It has 2 handles on the bag. Let's unzip the zipper here and see what's inside. And you get what is a DeWalt manual. Manual for the instruction manual. Probably a good read. You should always read that to get full details. And you also have instructions for the battery charger. It's always good to read the safety and warnings just to make sure we operate the equipment safely and handle the batteries correctly. So here is the bundled battery charger. This is DeWalt model DCB107. It's a 12 volt 20 volt max lithium ion charger. Has 2 indicator lights, and we'll show that charging a little later on. And here is a battery pack. So you can see this battery pack is a 20 volt max lithium ion battery, and this is one of 2 battery packs they give you. Let me see if I can get it on focus for you to see this clearly. 20 volt max lithium ion DeWalt. Key thing to remember here is this battery pack has a yellow piece, and that yellow piece is your battery release button. So let me pull the battery out and show you that piece right over here, and on the side, and there's where it contacts the battery charger. And the big yellow piece here is what you push down to release from the drill. One key thing to remember is when you're charging the battery pack in the charger, the rule of thumb is you always plug the charger into the outlet before inserting the battery pack. And when you're charging the battery pack in the charger, you need to make sure that the battery is fully seated in the charger like that. And when you charge, what's going to happen is there'll be a blinking red light, and the blinking red light will light continuously when it's fully charged, and that's when you know it's time to take it off. Here we see another battery, similar. There's not really any different. We're not going to open that up. And of course here we have the actual drill, and there's nothing else in the bag. Let's take a look at the drill. And we see that the drill, it's well labeled. Here's the connection for the battery. And over here we have the forward and reverse control button, so you can control whether you're driving a screw or not. Here's the trigger button right over here, and a nice handle grip. And over here you have, let me see if you can get it, this is the keyless chuck. You can actually put an attachment here, and you don't need a key to actually put it in place. You just turn it and it will lock in place, and depending on the direction. That's a keyless chuck, so really nice to have. Okay, now let's look at the collar. Here you can set it for, this is drill mode. If you need it for drilling, you should set it to this mode. And the other settings are for torque. The lower the number, the less torque. The higher number, more torque. This one is the gear shifter that controls the amount of torque also. Here we put the battery in, and you can see as I press the button, it rotates clockwise. There's also a very convenient light. And if I change the forward reverse control, it rotates counterclockwise. So now we pop the battery in the charger. You can see it blinks as it's charging, and you can see when it's fully charged, it'll be fully lit. And there it is, fully charged, and that's how the battery pack looks like. Hopefully this is a quick intro about the DeWalt cordless drill kit, and Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.